Are we in an AI bubble? Not exactly. According to Hugging Face CEO Clem Delangue, we're actually in a large language model bubble, and it might be set to pop sooner than you think. But don't panic, because the AI revolution itself isn't going anywhere. If you're fascinated by AI, here's the bold insight. LLMs like ChatGPT and Gemini are getting all the hype, but they're only one slice of the AI pie. Delangue predicts that smaller, specialized models will soon take center stage because LLMs simply aren't the solution for everything. Before we go further, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're excited about AI and want to see where this industry is heading next. Delangue points out that companies often overinvest in one massive model, hoping it will solve every problem. But in reality, a bank, for example, doesn't need a model to philosophize. It just needs a reliable, fast, and cost-effective chatbot. That's where smaller, custom models come into play, and they're likely to dominate in the coming years. Even if the LLM bubble bursts, Hugging Face is well-positioned. The company still has half of its $400 million funding intact and is focused on a capital-efficient, long-term strategy, not chasing billions of dollars in short-term hype like some competitors. The takeaway? The AI field isn't going anywhere. LLMs might cool off, but the industry's growth, innovation, and practical applications across biology, chemistry, images, audio, and video are just getting started. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, watch the related video in the corner for more insights on the future of AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because understanding AI today can give you the edge tomorrow.